Hi, RKavanaugh here again in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. It's a great day to come out and look at motorhomes and maybe even buy one. Today I'd like to show you this brand new 2022 Coachmen Mirada 35ES, so it's about 35 feet. It's a great floor plan. It's a bath and a half, lots of space. It's got a bunk which can also be converted into storage. Beautiful bedroom, great floor plan, theater seats, all that on the inside. On the outside, you got a beautiful power awning, an outdoor TV, and good storage on the outside. All of this at about 35 feet. Let's go have a look on the inside. So of course, this being a brand new 2022, the Mirada is sitting on the new Ford F53 chassis with the new Ford gas V8, what they like to dub as the Godzilla V8. So plenty of extra power over the Triton V10, and it gets more fuel efficiency, so it's really a win-win. You also have the backup camera, which comes standard, and left and right cameras, which also come standard. Here in the living room, you'll notice the floors. There's no carpet anywhere in this motorhome. Most people in the modern world tend to like that. I don't know how many times I hear people say, oh, we don't like carpet. Well, this is that motorhome. There's no carpet in this. So you have a nice little dinette with extra soft cushions here. You have storage underneath. And then in the kitchen here, you have nice solid surface countertops. A nice extender here. You got sink covers here. Really nice, large, single sink. So that's very convenient and very nice. It's very modern in appearance. It looks nicer than my kitchen. You got the standard gas stove. It's a 3-burner stove with an oven. And then you have an extra large microwave. Lots of storage here. You have a really large stainless steel residential refrigerator. Really big freezer with built-in ice maker. I guess, of course, this is brand new, so we still have the stickers and instructions on it. Beautiful. Lots of storage here. One of my favorite floor plans are the theater seat option. You obviously have the cup holders. This also has some extra things on it, lights, massage, things like that that you can have when you're plugged in. You also have some extra storage here for remotes, books, things like that. Very nice. This also reclines to what? A 40-inch flat screen TV. It's a great viewing angle. I always talk about viewing angles. This is one of the best viewing angles. It's right here, right in front of you. You can put your remotes here as well, and you also have a fireplace, a gas electric fireplace, which will really create a very nice ambiance on the inside. Like I mentioned, this is also a bath and a half, so you have a half bath here. Have a look. And then you have this really cool barn door. This is a bunk. It can be used as a bunkhouse, or it can be used as an office, or it can be used for storage. And then as we move back into the bedroom, you've got a lot of counter space here in the bedroom. You have an overhead television. It's 32 inches. Again, it's a great viewing angle. It's a king-size bed. Very comfortable, beautiful headboard back there. You have a lot of natural light that comes in. You have some overhead lights. You have speakers. You have USB ports. And you have a little bit of shelf space there to put your phone at nighttime. Very comfortable mattress. Lots of storage here. You've got a huge closet. A huge hanging closet. You can do a lot of things here. Very nice. And then, as I mentioned, there's a full-size bathroom back here, and honestly, this is the largest shower I've ever seen. Have a look. The video may not do that justice, but that's about twice the size of a standard RV shower. So again, this is about 35 feet. It's brand new. It's a 2022 Coachmen Mirada 35ES. It's reasonably priced for a new motorhome. I think this will check the block for a lot of folks. Come on out today. Have a look at this. Ask for me, RKavanaugh. My information's right here. I'd be happy to show you this motorhome. Take it for a test drive. I know you'll love it. Have a great day.